MoSMB-S3 server. Scalable, secure file sharing for AI in hybrid cloud. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, but powering AI requires more than just algorithms. Organizations need storage solutions that are fast, secure, and scalable. That is where hybrid cloud infrastructures, enhanced by MoSMB-S3 server, come in. Workloads demand flexibility and speed. Hybrid cloud combines on-premises control with the scalability of public clouds, letting organizations scale resources as needed, reduce cost, and keep sensitive data secure. This approach also minimizes latency, making real-time analytics and decision-making possible. A MoSMB-S3 server is a high-performance file-sharing solution designed for hybrid cloud environments. It integrates on-premises and cloud storage, supports high-speed transfers using SMB and RDMA protocols, and offers advanced security features like encryption and access controls. Its scalable architecture ensures your infrastructure grows with your AI projects. With MoSMB-S3 server, data is always accessible, enabling seamless collaboration and efficient AI model training. It supports tiered storage for cost savings and is ideal for data-intensive research, real-time analytics, multi-cloud strategies, and disaster recovery. Ready to future-proof your AI infrastructure? Reach out to sales@ryasi.com to discover how MoSMB-S3 server can unlock the full potential of hybrid cloud for your organization's AI journey.